workout at the comfort of your home, okay? Simple stretches you can do after your workout or before your workout. And I'll tell you the difference between the two. What to do before your workout and what to do after your workout, okay? So let's start with mild stretching. Put your legs together, chest forward, and slowly straighten down. So if this is the farthest you can go, it's fine. Hang on there, but keep on hoping that you can stretch further down, until maybe one day your palms can touch down. While doing these stretches, you are targeting to stretch your hamstrings, to stretch your calf muscles, and to stretch your lower back. If you feel your lower back is stiff, just press the chest forward and hold down. So there's a difference between doing the holding stretches and doing the ballistic stretches, whereby you're just bouncing up and down. So for starters, we'll just hold down and relax for a few seconds. Same position. Now cross your right leg forward, chest forward again. Slowly go down, pressing your chest down. The legs are straight. You're targeting to touch behind your heels, and you hold down for 5 slow counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and good. Bring yourself up, change your crossing over the other leg, chest forward again, slowly you go down, targeting to touch behind your heels, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, slowly, progressively, okay? So from here, standing position, bring your right leg up, try to balance on the left, and slowly you're pulling the leg up. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you lose balance, always go back to tap, then bring back the leg again. Now this time you're rotating your ankle for 5, 4, 3, 2, you change direction for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same leg, you're holding at the back, balance off with the other hand, and hold the stretch. So the more you pull the leg out backwards, the more you stretch your core muscles. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And bring the leg back slowly. We are doing the same to the other side. Everything we do on one leg, we have to do on the other leg. Hold high for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you lose balance, go back down, bring it up again. Now this time, rotating your ankle for 5, 4, 3, 2, change direction for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The same leg, bring it at the back, hold by the foot, balance off with the other hand, and you pull the knee in to stretch more of your core for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it off. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're still on the legs. Put your legs wide apart, okay, as wide as you can. Chest forward. Number 1, we are stretching towards the sides. So use your leg as a point of rolling down. You go all the way down, stretching the legs straight, keeping your back tight, your chest forward. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, slowly coming up. So we are not rushing the stretches. Go the other side, and again chest forward, legs straight, stretch all the way down, and keep breathing in and out casually for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up. Let's repeat one more time. To the left, stretch all the way down. So apart from stretching the legs, I'm also stretching the back. Chest forward for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. Finally to the other side. Chest forward, stretch all the way down for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Back at the center. Rotate your waist around for 5, 4, 3, 2, and change direction for 5, 4, 3, 2, and now press your chest forward, keeping the legs straight, and your target should be to touch down. So if this is the limit you can, 5. Hold there for 5, but always keep on stretching lower than that. For 5, 4, 3, 2, then you can keep on targeting to fold your elbows with a target to touch the ground using your elbows for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm feeling it more on my hamstring and more on my calf muscles. So if you have tight hamstrings, you can try these stretches in the comfort of your home. Okay, bring the leg back here, right elbow up here, then I hold the elbow and the back, I pull for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The same hand, bring it across, then hold by the elbow and you press in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Change. Now your left going up, then the right hold the elbow and you hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The same hand across, take it forward, hold by the elbow and press in. 5, 4, 3, 2. Nice stretch on the shoulder. Okay? So hands forward, open out for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now overhead, drop down for 5, 4, 3, 2, and down. So legs wider apart, chest forward again. We are bending towards the side, stretching the sides for 5, hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Change the other side, stretch down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Come back. Now you're stretching the neck. So keep your shoulders down. Hold the head using your right hand. Then you're pulling the head to one side as you try to lower the shoulder down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You change the other hand overhead and you pull as you lower the right shoulder down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So side, side. So turn to the side, back at the center. The other side, back at the center. Go one more time. Center, and side, center. Okay? Using your hands, press the chin up for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So using the same hand, hold the head from the back and you're pulling the head down. Nice stretch on the neck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rotate your head round for 5, 4, 3, 2. Change direction for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish off with the ankle and calf muscles, so stretch up, hold and down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it off. So these are stretches you can do immediately after your warm-up. So try to do some warm-up first before trying these stretches, because we try to encourage you to stretch a warm muscle, not to stretch a cold muscle. So remember, we are trying to avoid injuries in the process. That's why we encourage you to do light warm-up. Can be aerobics, can be a small jog on the treadmill, a small workout on the elliptical trainer. Just simple workouts you can do, cardiovascular workout. Then now do these stretches. You'll achieve far much better than anyone who is doing the stretches without doing the cardio first. Okay? So we have so many other workouts coming. So the next video, I'll show you guys how to do floor stretches. All the stretches on the ground. These are stretches you can do in the office, at home, anywhere, as long as you have a space for you just to stand. Space enough just for you. Okay guys, to tell a friend, feel free to share this video out. We do this for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Join button down here if you want to partner with us, so at least we are able to produce more and more videos to help someone else who cannot afford to go to the gym. Okay? So next workout is floor stretching workout. Until then, bye bye.